This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Ken Worthington. Breathtaking, stunning, beautiful, and classic are just a few words that describe this circa 1915 all-brick conventional home. Features: beautiful woodwork, built-ins, pocket doors, hardwood floors, hip roof, etc. Like entering a time capsule. This home sits beautifully within 2 estimated, unrestricted and level acres, a true statement as you look in from the street. Breathtaking views, outbuildings, paved driveway, and mature trees. Home is being sold as is, where is. This home is clean and move-in ready. Ready for your personal touches. Enjoy your holidays in true storybook fashion this year. Truly a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Ken Worthington at 304-263-2121.